It's not donation, Madam Speaker.
It's okay. Let him continue. Proceed.
I wish to inform my friend Senator Kajuang that the standing orders of this House, standing order number 101, protects you from responding to Senator Cherargei, who stood on a point of order and explicitly mentioned the name of Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga and mentioned the name of Honorable President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. Madam Speaker, is a president. Whether you like it or not, is a president. You will never be. You will never be. Don't shout at me. You will never be a president. You will never be a president. Respect a former president. He's former, but you will never be Cherargei. You will never be a president. Respect him. Madam Speaker, can I be heard silent? I can make noise than Cherargei can make noise in this House. Madam Speaker, I can make noise than Cherargei can make noise in this House. You will not make noise to me, Cherargei.
Senator Eddie, you are bordering on being out of order. Senator Cherargei, I give you the first warning. Senator Eddie, I give you the first warning. If you continue being out of order, you will have to exit from this session. That's the direction of the chair. If you continue being out of order, I will put you on the second.